Hi, it's Viola, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be going to a festival tomorrow. I'm going to the Animac Lost and Found Festival in Malta, and so I'm packing today, and I thought it'd be interesting to see kind of new items that I'm going to be taking with me. I've got a few things from I Saw It First, and then I've got a few sunglasses as well, because like most people I do have like my nice sunglasses, but when it is a festival it's quite good to have cheaper sunglasses, and also I wanted to get some really fashionable sunglasses, and so I went for some cheaper options for those. So first off, I'm going to be showing you the things that I got from I Saw It First, and I'll do a bit of a try on as well, so that you can kind of get a feel for the different outfits and the kind of look I'm going to be going for. It is a festival after all, so it's all about being a bit extra. And then I thought I'd show you what I actually put into my case, like how many shoes, like other things that I've got as well, just to give you an idea of what's needed to travel kind of short haul just with a carry-on case. So first of all, I've got this bag that I Saw It First. I have looked through these items already, but we'll do it again. So this first off is the sparkle square neck mini dress, and I got this in a size 10. And this dress, a lot of these items, they are quite see-through, but it is a hot country that I'm going through, and I'm planning on wearing, you'll see, like the type of undergarments I'm going to be wearing will be kind of part of the outfit almost. So this dress is really, really sparkly. I don't know if it's being blown out by the light there. It's really just a simple plain dress, nothing too fancy. It is cut to your curves though. At the top it's just a thin elastic, and then the spaghetti straps. So I just want to jump in with a little comment about this dress. I'm not really liking how it's ruching at the top here. It's not like, I think maybe if I had a smaller size it might be better, like if it was just all around just more like tight to my body. This is the second thing. So this is the high neck fishnet playsuit in black. So as you can see, this is completely sheer. It's to be worn to like a pool party, that kind of thing, where you wear a bikini underneath it, but you do want something that is kind of covering you up more than just being in a bikini walking around. So I thought this would be really good. It does have long sleeves. Obviously make sure that you don't kind of sit in the sun and end up with like a weird suntan pattern, but it's a short, it's got shorts at the bottom, so I thought that was quite fun that it's actually a playsuit, and it's always nice to have a good cover up for these kinds of things. This is my favourite dress of the bunch. It's the Satin cowl neck mini dress, and it is in gold. This one it just feels and looks really well made, even in comparison to the other items, and in comparison to kind of some other kind of online stores that do sell cheaper items that you can get. It's got a zip on the side to get into it. It's got this cowl neck in the front, and it's this kind of nice hammered silk looking material. Obviously it's not going to be silk, it is polyester, but it just looks really nice and gives a bit of that like fancy vibe, and I think that this colour is gonna just look so nice with my skin tone. So this is one of my favourites for sure. And then everyone this season is going crazy for neon, especially if you are a festival goer. Neon is something that you need. So this is the one shoulder mini dress in a lime, and this is also in a 10. So when I hold it up, it is obviously gonna dim the whole room. There we go. So it's just got one shoulder. This again, it's really quite sheer, so you have to make sure you've got the right things on underneath it. And then also, this is the final dress, and another one that I really like, and this is the Cowl neck Galaxy mesh dress. Like, I've just been really liking cowl necks. I just think they're so flattering on me, especially if you're somebody that doesn't have a larger chest. A cowl neck kind of brings a bit more volume up top. It can kind of even out the width of your shoulders, and it just looks really nice with these little spaghetti straps. Again, this is really sheer. It would be good for a day party, a pool party, where you're wearing it over a bikini, but equally in the evening with a denim jacket or something like that. It's a perfect holiday item, really. And they're all at really good price points that I saw at first, and you kind of get what you pay for, I guess. Like, these, I know everyone's trying to move away from fast fashion, but when it comes to things for holiday, sometimes you do want the items to be thinner. You do want the materials not to be so insulating. So if you are going for a cheaper item, it probably is going to be a thinner material, and that is perfect for holiday. So I also got 2 bikinis. And these are real, like, fashion bikinis as opposed to, like, practical bikinis for, like, doing lots of swimming or lots of tanning. So this is, first one is the Neon Leopard, the Neon Leopard bikini. Both pieces come separately, so you need to look for the bottoms and for the top separately. The top is so nice. I'm really into it. It's got a sleeve, like, that literally goes the whole way down. It's a one-sleeved leopard print bikini, but in this neon colour, so that's really cute. And the bottoms, they're like a, I would say like a Brazilian brief, so quite open at the back there for those ones. And then the other one I've got is this ribbed lime green bikini. So the top is like a crop top with like 4 buttons on it, you can see there, and you can obviously open up a few buttons at the top. And then I went for something a bit more daring on the bottom. So this is like a real thong bikini bottom, which I guess balances out the fact that the top is more covered up. And then the last thing I got from I Saw It First is this hair pin. So I got this Jadore hairpin. I've seen these around a few different places, and this one, it looks really nice. I have put it in my hair. I will show you it in, but it's just really cute, and I just thought it's a nice little blingy accessory for holiday. So in addition to those bits, I also went ahead and got some sunglasses from Pretty Little Thing. So the first pair is this brown tortoiseshell oversized cat eye frame, and these were all really reasonably priced. I didn't buy any sunglasses that were over £10, so all of these were under £10, these sunglasses. The second pair is the gold Revo lens cat eye sunglasses. So this is the gold Revo lens cat eye sunglasses, and these are real, like I was saying, real like fashion sunglasses. And I just thought they'd be really cute, especially with some of the things I already own that I'm going to be wearing, to just bring like a fun edge to the look and make things that maybe I've had for a few years, like a new pair of sunglasses or new accessories, can really update things that you've had in your wardrobe for a while. So I thought that these would be nice and fun, and they're like on trend to be wearing this summer. And I went for the gold tone because I think it goes best with my skin tone, and I usually wear gold accessories, so I thought it'd be really nice to have a gold pair of sunglasses that were super tiny like these ones. So this next pair are the silver frame pink lens cat eye sunglasses. So here we go. Really thin silver frame, and the lens on these is really cool because it's got this line detail that goes through it, and it's like, who doesn't want to see the world through rose tinted glasses? Because when I'm on holiday, that is all I want to do, is be positive, have fun, and for everything around me to just look beautiful. And the final pair of sunglasses, I thought I'd go for a real classic shape. These are the silver frame small round sunglasses, and they've got like a dark lens there. They're kind of more like Beatles-esque kind of sunglasses. Not as girly, I guess. These really cover up your whole eyeball, so these are much better for sitting in the sun. And all of the sunglasses that I've got from Pretty Little Thing, they all come with the this label on them which says that they're UV 400 protection. They've got the CE mark on them as well, so they do actually, these ones are actually going to protect your eyes properly from the sun, especially because they do have such a dark tint. You want to make sure that when your retinas are opening up, because you've put the dark tint of a dark glasses over them, that the glasses are actually going to protect your eyes, otherwise you're going to end up messing your eyes up. If you want to see how my trip has gone and how I've styled all of my items together, I am going to be making a video on holiday, so look out for that soon on my channel. So I've finished packing. As you can see, I've got a few shots of what's in my case. And if you're looking forward to see how I style up any of those outfits, then just tune in to my next video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.